Subscribe to our knowledge channel and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Your knowledge comes first.
Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the heart of LTX Studio, where creativity meets innovation. I'm Amir Jana, and in this video we'll unveil the essential tools that every LTX Studio user needs to master their craft. So buckle up, and let's explore. First things first, let's talk about the interface. LTX Studio boasts a user-friendly interface designed for seamless navigation and efficient workflow. From the intuitive toolbar to the customizable workspace, every element is meticulously crafted to enhance your productivity. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, mastering the interface is the first step towards unlocking the full potential of LTX Studio. Next up, we have the modeling tools, the building blocks of your creative vision. With a comprehensive set of tools ranging from primitives to advanced sculpting, LTX Studio empowers you to bring your ideas to life with precision and detail. Whether you're designing characters, architectural structures, or intricate props, LTX Studio provides you with the tools you need to turn imagination into reality. Now, let's talk about texturing and materials, the elements that add depth and realism to your creations. LTX Studio offers a vast library of materials, shaders, and texture maps, allowing you to achieve stunning visuals with just a few clicks. Whether you're aiming for a weathered look or a futuristic sheen, LTX Studio gives you the flexibility to experiment until you achieve the perfect aesthetic. Last but not least, we have animation and rigging, the dynamic duo that brings your models to life. With LTX Studio's robust animation tools and flexible rigging system, you can breathe life into your characters and create captivating motion sequences. Whether you're animating a character for a game or a cinematic sequence, LTX Studio provides you with the tools you need to animate with precision and creativity. And there you have it, folks, the essential tools that every LTX Studio user should master. With its intuitive interface, powerful modeling tools, versatile texturing options, and robust animation capabilities, LTX Studio is your gateway to limitless creativity. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and innovating.